Welcome to New Auto Times, your ultimate source for car reviews, automotive news, and the latest trends in the world of cars. If you love everything on wheels, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our exciting content. Let's get started. Today, we're taking a journey back in time to one of the most iconic British cars ever made, the 1971 Morris Minor. This humble, compact car has a significant place in automotive history. Although it may not have the power or aggressive design of the muscle cars of its era, the Morris Minor has an undeniable charm and practicality that made it a beloved vehicle, not just in the UK, but around the world. Designed by Sir Alec Isagonis, the man behind the legendary Mini, the Morris Minor was produced by the Morris Motors Company. Launched in 1948, it was designed to be Britain's first affordable, mass-market car, and it certainly succeeded in that mission. By 1971, the Morris Minor had already cemented itself as a household name, known for its reliability, simplicity, and affordability. Let's talk about the design. At first glance, the 1971 Morris Minor may look understated, but that's part of its appeal. Its rounded, bulbous fenders, simple front grille, and charmingly modest proportions make it a perfect symbol of 1950s and 60s post-war Britain. The two-door saloon version we're looking at today had a minimalistic design, but there's a certain elegance to its simplicity. Its small size made it easy to maneuver, especially in tight city streets, which contributed to its widespread popularity. Under the hood, the 1971 Morris Minor was equipped with a 1098cc four-cylinder engine, producing about 48 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much, but it was more than enough to handle city driving and the occasional countryside trip. The top speed of around 77 miles per hour might not seem impressive by today's standards, but back then, the Morris Minor's performance was quite respectable for a car of its size and class. One of the standout features of the Morris Minor was its incredible fuel efficiency. With petrol prices on the rise in the 1970s, owning a car that could run efficiently on a budget was a huge plus. The Morris Minor's lightweight and simple mechanical setup made it economical to run, helping it remain a favorite for those looking to save money on fuel and repairs. Inside, the 1971 Morris Minor offered no frills functionality. The interior was simple, but it was well built and durable, which is why so many of these cars are still on the road today. It didn't come with any of the fancy gadgets we see in modern cars, but it had everything you needed: comfortable seating for four, a clear dashboard, and decent storage space for its size. The legacy of the Morris Minor continues to this day. It wasn't just a car, it was part of British culture, a symbol of post-war recovery and everyday practicality. Whether it was used as a family car, a delivery van, or even a police vehicle, the Morris Minor proved its versatility and reliability. Thanks for watching New Auto Times. If you enjoyed this look back at the 1971 Morris Minor, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on classic cars and the latest in automotive news. See you in the next video.